What is up, kids? Coming to you live in the Technicolor from the Jeep Road Harbor Freight Bucket Weekend. Might as well check it out. Anyway, also, we're looking for a new daily for me, which is going to be fun. I enjoy it a lot. It's my favorite. Twix is good. A quick thing, it's 30 out here. T-shirt weather in northern Minnesota. Better believe it. It's real. Came out with nothing. Go buy a lottery ticket or something. Once in a lifetime. What I need is just some clear containers with a lid to put extra bolts and stuff in there that I can use for, honestly, art projects that I've been doing for Melissa and stuff. So, Harbor Freight, you should market some so I don't have to go somewhere else. We're gonna go home now because got what I needed. Yep. I did get the screw with the, so let's make like a tree and get out of here. Yeah, we're back here. It is actually colder in here than it is outside, so I've got the overhead door open. See? Yeah, right there. And I'm just gonna bring this a couple things in that I got, and we'll talk about them. I'm just gonna let you do the thing. Now you might say to yourself, Chad, why are you buying totes and stuff? Well, there's a reason. There's a reason for everything. To a time there is a season, and turn, right? Whoever left this leaning against the garage door, you're in timeout. What's that? I've stepped on that. Stepped on this like 13 times. Oh, you didn't see it. Off the cabinet into the... It was like, da-ding, da-ding, right there. That is neither here nor there. That's why I got the totes. It is, it's in need of cleaning up. I'm not gonna do any more videos working on stuff till I get this taken care of. See, look at that. I know, you're all saying, but you're doing a video now. Yeah. I get it. So once I get this turd pile that I call a shop, see, look at this thing. You know? Because I'm tired of running into things and not having enough room. So once I get this turd pile cleaned up, I will be working on something. So it'll be after this part. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna do the other bottom of the door. We'll film that just for funzos. 2. Or maybe just part of it. I don't know. Maybe we won't do any of it. Yep, this is going great. Well, so when this is done, however long it takes, we'll be seeing you then. I will be updating you the date when that happens. Today is the whatever day it is, and I'll tell you how many days it is until this is taken care of. Because it's time. There's no more, I've got to get Bonnie in here, and I still got to make room to work. So, until next time, kids. All right, it's still whatever day I put down the thing. That's what's happening. Now, remember when I made a thing? Remember one of those videos? Okay. Well, I made this one. Remember this? This is the one that fell apart. Yeah, I know, I'm terrible. But it actually serves a pretty good purpose. Let's get you over here. Yoink. Yep. Ah, yeah, there you go. So this is kind of supposed to be, you know, flat, 90. Well, I'm going to kind of, you know, tap it like this. And just sliding it down. Because look, it's 90. And so I'm just trying to get this straight. Now, as an example, yoink. You see right here? Right here. See that one? It's bent. Bent. See? Bent. Now, let's put you back there. So you're not right in the teeth. I'm going to find it. Yep, right there. All right. Put this guy behind her. It does it. It does it. Right there. So I got this part started. It's still high here, low here, low here. This is okay. That's okay, and low. So we're gonna be literally till the cows come home. And since I don't have any cows, hello, Chad. Auspice Pizza. Yeah. Okay, so right here, now you can see that goes, that one's straight. What are we gonna do? Well, I tried hitting it. Didn't work, so we're gonna try something else. So wait there. Don't take anything. So we're gonna just get a couple of things that might help. Hey, Chad. Yep, I'm not smart. So we're gonna try. You can see. I'm just gonna try to work that out a little bit. It's not working. So let's try over here. Careful. Jeepers. Criminy. It's not working. I mean, it's working some, but I'm bending this. And this isn't any better. Hold on. It's right there. It's fine. Mr. Dale's dad's duct pliers. Maybe I can get a good hold on it here. I know I said I wasn't going to use it, but darn it, he's getting used on this truck right here. Right now. I'm not kidding you. Yeah, that actually does work a bit better than he'll pry bar. Oh yeah, that's working good. Mr. Dale, I want to thank your dad for buying this awesome tool all these years ago. And the fact that I'm getting to use his tool on my build, pretty darn honored. Darn honored that I met you. The fact that you trusted me enough to take care of your dad's one of his prized possessions. Till the next caretaker. I know I told you I wasn't going to use it. I'll tell you what, it's working pretty good. I can't reach now over here. I'll have to get a longer one. And then this is going to have to come out first. So it's like it had done it before. It's just telling me what to do. Old tools can have a soul, you know. Yep, it's true. Now that we're done talking about that, I use this and I just kind of jammed it in there and, gave it the business. I don't have business, but I gave it to him. So now we're going to take this guy. Stick back here again. We're going to try not to hit ourselves. But we're going to. Now I'm not left-handed, so there's nothing I can do here. Either. Yep. I'm going to get this straightened out. That fell down. That's fine. Always wear ear protection. This isn't straight, but we'll get it there. I mean, if I have to heat it up or whatever, we'll do that. But right now, it's pretty cool. Plus, yeah, that doesn't help. You know, I know it doesn't help because it's right there. Maybe, just maybe. Maybe we try to be left-handed. Left-handed. Sometimes you just gotta get a, you know, I had the smallest pry bar, so I got a little bigger one. Just kind of, it's gotta wiggle it around in there a little bit. This is already bent. We gotta fix it anyway, so we're not doing much else to it. Now, worst case, I'll cut this off, make a new one, and like that. Other than that, we're gonna just keep trying to get this straight. This has got to, right here's got to come up as it goes. This got to come up because it goes. This used to be where the rear view mirror went, right here, if you can see it. But it looks like somebody chewed it off. Yeah. Oh! Found a place for the parts washer. Those are the parts. This is for another thing that we got going out. Right there. Now, here at Peyton Speed Shop, you know that we have used Speedway parts before, right? Now, Speedway is no way, shape, or form affiliated with us. Hey, Chad, Peyton Speed. Call me. Anyway. We like their products. We've got plenty of them around here. Stick it right there. Yoink. I know we're getting wishful thinking. Say with our captain, and then benchmark. It's all right. It's all right. Coming up now, we need to get the Bowling Brothers frame turned around and faced that way. And put it up on the jack stands again. Then we need to get the 194 cubic inches of raw power disconnected from that transmission. And then we need to hook it up to the power glide. We're just gonna bolt them together. We're not gonna do anything. Maybe we'll try to fit that power glide in there too. You never know. We can check the clutch out and have some fun with that too. And then we need to put it in there, and then we need to put this on there so we can see if we got to cut that firewall. Stick around for that. I can't wait because we got to bring in the cherry picker. Yeah. So we're gonna have to have some fun. What we'll do is we'll move the cab over here. Put that over there, put this here. It'll be a whole thing. It'll be an epic battle of Chad versus the 194. Don't miss it. Keep on wrenching, kids. A little bonus footage. Now, We're gonna try something. Does it work? Will it? I don't know. We'll find out right about, well, not right now because I gotta get some stuff. Who put this thing over the thing? Yep, okay, yeah. All right, and we got, oh, they're, actually tell me they're still over here. All right, this is just bonus footage, you know. Don't expect our A game here. I wonder if we might be able to. Yep. It won't work. I need a little bit bigger piece of square tubing. Right now I don't have any cut. But I was able to get back here with this and just kind of tweak it a little bit. And now it's actually better than it used to be. Also, I want to say that make sure you guys are checking out my friends while I'm down in the thing. Classic Car Revivals, Casey Hansen, Tanner. Hey, everybody, comment on his next video that you want one of his stickers. I designed one for him, very simple one, but let him know you want one. He's got a few, and I'll tell you what, when he runs out, I'll send him some more because I want to get his. Maybe I should keep one, or maybe I should make him mail me one. Anyway, please do that. Tanner Rebuilds. There's a link. Go there. Comment on his video. Hey man, I need a sticker, or Honest Peyton Speed Shop said you got stickers. Whatever it is. I want him to get them out there. I want you to show them to you again. Also, Whiskey Dents, he's doing his thing. He's just kicking pants, man. It's awesome. Check out Matt the Scrap Whisperer, Bill Cameron, all the guys that are just fantastic. 1776 Garage, all those guys. Yeah. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this thing. We got that. I'm doing it alone now. Use all the support I can get. Look, I got this, and I got that. I can't wait. Thank you so much. And now, enjoy your evening.